Learning begins at home. In today's times, the times of COVID-19, it needs to continue at home too. SAAR Education makes it possible through the homeschooling kit, a unique compilation of world-renowned pedagogical approaches to help our parent community in creating an environment and provide opportunities for skill-based learning to happen in the familiar and comfortable environment of their own home. Apart from being experiential and child-centric, the homeschooling kit focused on building the 21st century skills and make our little ones future-ready global citizens. The homeschooling kit contains the Fitzroy readers that help build communication, the STEM activities that provide opportunities for collaboration, the art school curriculum inculcates creativity, and Mathmania booklets that foster critical thinking. The homeschooling kit is well supported by fortnightly webinars to understand the pedagogical structure, plans, and the implementation of the curriculum, WhatsApp and email support to guide and troubleshoot in case required, video tutorials to explain and demonstrate all the what's and the how's. This is available for all ages and levels of the foundation and the preparatory stage. So join us while we bring the world-class education for our young learners inside the comforts of your home. To explore more, please visit our website www.saareducation.com. Thank you for watching.